So I just want to share something about the London reversal, or also it's the London reversal, or the New York reversal. Yeah, this was a setup that happened on the GJ. So the GJ, I was expecting it to be bullish because once we took, you see, like we had this SMT with, let's say, what EU, let's see what EU had, EJ, sorry, the same day, you see, while EJ was not making a lower low, GJ was making a lower low. See, it failed to make a lower low, creating that SMT. But you can see the same day on EJ is already making a lower low, right? But let's go back to the 1 hour. So you see this. So there were, no, the 30 minutes. Let me just use the 15. So in bullish conditions, a higher time frame discount array below market price. What is the higher time frame? What is the higher time frame discount array? It is this. What is it? It's the previous week's low. That is liquidity. Yeah. So price hasn't traded into it. See, this is New York, and look at London. No, this is Asian trading session from 8 to midnight. Look at London. So a higher time frame discount array below market price, but is yet to be met. Is yet to be met. So on Wednesday you can see price opens, but during New York, price expands towards that New York low. So, but is yet to be met. The day price trades down into it, the higher time frame discount during London's move, and crosses over to the New York. So it was just forming a move here to cross over to New York. Yeah, this sets conditions for a New York or London close reversal, conditions for a bullish market. So this is because like the week we had been going down. So this is like the reversal. So I am trying to frame the reversal how I will want to enter it. Because you know, so whatever is happening is, while this is GJ, while that is GJ, EJ is doing something like that. See? So that is the SMT now. So the question is how do we enter this? It's pretty much simple. You can see this is what? This is London close. You see where New York high is? So London close starts here, plays out, but around here this will be like around 17:30. So it's outside market hours, but I want you to look at like how the market reacts. So see, this is the last down candle. This, so while price closed above it, it created a what? An order block. So you also see, we want to see price respect that order block. Yeah, we want to see clean closes up. See, it takes this low, but remember it is still in this order block from here up to here. So that is Asian range, Asian range. See, because this is now the new, you see this price took out this low, so we want to drag that here and make this our new order block. So that is London. London opens. There is exactly. What time is it? That is around 3:45. Supposed to be making a high. So you have to know how to differentiate what is a Judas swing and what is not. Because why are we going up? Because of the SMT. So do you expect price to come back down here? No, I don't. So basically, I want to be entering around that place. You see when price just closed this candle close here, that is where you want to enter. So you want to enter there, that is 31. You can put the stop loss below Thursday's low. Let's put it here, that is 42.4. Yeah, and what are you targeting? Mhm. Okay, we will be targeting, I think, this highs above this. Why are you targeting those highs? Because price has taken the previous week's low. The only place I expect price to go is take the previous week's high. So if we go to the 4H, you can see the previous week's high. So this is the previous week's low is taken here. So expect price to pretty much go and take the liquidity here, because it came, price opened like around this area. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it has just been coming down. That is why, yeah, that is why I am changing it. Okay. So we go back to the 15. We can use the 4H to see where, to get a very neat placement of our stop. And yeah, see, if I fine tune it with the 4 hour, we can put it just below this, just below the whatever, what will I call it, this consecutive down close candles. Because why? Why do we? Well, because this is an order block. If price retraces back to here, it will make an order block. So it's a down close candle. So go back to the 15. You see now the stop, and you see below that order block is exactly at the Asian range low. Yeah. So if that is it, then I will wait for price to, if price has closed above that, I think it's safe for me to enter around that zone. Why, you may ask? But because price has traded above it, I expect price to come back and validate it. So yeah. Mhm. So you can see where my entry should have been, because yeah, I missed this entry, but I did enter on the retrace of the BC. So that is a risk to reward ratio of 3. This was supposed to be our two BCs. So let me show you to H. You see, now that was my target. Let's see how price will. See, that is already 12 hours. So you've been holding it for 12 hours. Eh? Let me just fasten it a little bit because TradingView has a limited. And I want you to also see this. See the way it is respecting. I want you to see the way it's respecting the bullish premium, the bullish or telltale signs. Eh? Also see that this is also an order block here. See the way it closed above the hour 2 BC here. So that was how we were supposed to take the trade for that week, yeah. And then price comes. Let's see, would it have taken you out? Not really. Still would not have taken you out because your low was here. See, that was just a re-entry. Re-entry of like the original entry. So yeah, that is it.